Shrimpo voice acting. I don't know why everyone is stressed when I'm just better. I hate distracting core. I'm better than anyone at this. I hate machines. I hate elevators. I hate elevators a lot. I hate elevators so much. Astro, more like bad. What? Bad Stro. Okay, why the fuck do I sound like a child? Please don't look at my way. Please don't look at my way. Boxton! Boxton, your music is awful. Give up your career. I'm not even a music artist, Shrimpo. I'm just a music box. Your light is annoying. Not this again. Turn it off. No. Your fault if they lose then. So happy we made it off that floor. I'm not. What? Let's go back. Shrimpo, no. We're not going back up. You never listen to me. I hate you. How dare you say that? How dare you? I hate your rings. I hate the fact you're so loud. I hate fish. What about shrimp? Shrimp are fish. They're cross fin. Gasp. You do listen to my facts. I hate your facts. I would forget them if I could. Hey, bud, why so real? Serious, huh? I hate seals. Shrimp and wins. Well, I suppose, yeah, one could say you're in a grill on. Wrong crust is in. You lose. No, but the joke is grill and shrimpo or both. Oh, never mind. Shrimpo, do you need a hug to turn that fart upside down? I hate hugs. What? I hate hugs and I hate you. Never mind. You know you can't stand to be nicer. No, never. I hate you. Sure, Shrimpo. I hate you, Bo. Well, I like it. Who asked? Damn. Dazzle, you okay? Could be better. Or you could be worse. Shrimpo, stop it. He's right. I'm always right. I'm Shrimpo. Don't listen to him. Shrimpo, is there a reason you are so very spiteful? What did you call me? Spiteful? I'm taking offense to that. Right. Let's take this interview later. You're awful. I like dogs more than cats, and I hate dogs. I'm not even a cat, technically. You hiss. You're a cat. I'm not taking from this a little shrimp. I don't like your tone, Shrimpo. And don't you like your ear horn thingies? You take that back. Shrimpo never apologizes. Hiss. Okay, I don't know why. I can't even do a cat conversation. I hate you. Me? Everyone. Well, I guess that's better than just me. I hate your dress. You know, glisten. He said he liked it. I hate glisten in your dress. What else do you hate? I hate that you ask what I hate. I hate elevators. Actually, they're kind of scary if you think about it. We're gonna crash. Eek. Faye, I hate television. You done? I hate not having the last word. Okay. Oh. Okay. Okay, let me check. I want sprout. Shrimp. Shrimp. Does still get here. My awesome face. Anyways, what? Let me check. I feel a beat coming on. Hit it, Buxton. I feel a beat coming on. Hit it, Buxton. I feel a beat coming on. Hit it, Buxton. I feel a beat coming on. Hit it, Buxton. I feel a beat coming on. Hit it, Buxton.